Now, to further evaluate more examples, let's look at these following examples, which I am going to explain here. The first one, the log of 4 plus the log of 8, is simply from the first logarithm law. All we need to do is to say log 4 times 8. Why? Because there is a product factor here. So that gives us log 32. Now, the question, evaluate log a raised to the power 3 base a, simply means that from the third law that we showed you, it means 3 log a base a. And what is log a base a? Anything raised, any logarithm of a number with the same base is always equals to 1. That makes it 3 times 1. Look at the third question. They say we should solve log 1000, the square root of log 1000 base 10. We know from our English knowledge that the square root of 1000 is also 1000 raised to the power half. Hope you recall that. So it means that 1000 raised to the power half is base 10. 1000 can also be done, 1000 can go 3 times. 10 can go 100, 10 can go 10, 10 can go 1. So it means this 1000 also means 10 raised to the power 3. Do you get it? 10 raised to the power 3. So it means 10 raised to the power 3, everything raised to the power half from here. Which tells us that from product rule of indices, when we open these brackets here, 1 times 3 divided by 2. So that same expression also means the logarithms of 10 raised to the power 3 over 2 base 10. And from the other law of logarithms that told us that the log of a number raised to the power that number to a given base is same, the power, the index will be outside. So that number is that given value. So we apply that here. So when this one comes here, it becomes log 10 base 10. But log 10 base 10 is 1. So anything with the same base will always give us 1. Is that taken? So having said that, it means that 3 over 2 times 1 goes. Follow me to this one. The fourth question here, if you are with me, so this fourth question here can also be solved in that order. They say evaluate 2 plus log 20 base 10 minus log 2 base 10. They are in the same base. So I can just say 2 plus log 20 divided by 2 base 10. You remember the product law that we talked about in logarithms. So that continues here. I have my 2. When this cancels this, it gives me 10. So I have my 2 plus log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10, of course, we know it's 1 because they are the same base. So it has 2 plus 1. The answer to this question will be what? 3. If you are still following me, with this knowledge, it will take us to the last aspect of this topic, where we want to solve or do this solve logarithms or change of base, what we call change of base in logarithms. So that's the last part. Then I will now give us an assignment to try out. Now, we're in the last aspect to achieve our target objective, which is to solve problems of different bases in logarithms. It's possible that a question will be given to you that you are not comfortable or you are not the base is not convenient for you to work with. Then you can consider to change the base to a convenient workable base for you. Let's consider this expression, the logarithm of log of n to base b. I don't like this base. Maybe I think I cannot solve it with that base. So what do? I introduce a new base, which is the logarithm of n to base c. This is my new base. That same base will divide the base, the initial base of b on that same new base. So that's how we are checking. So let's consider the value of this equation. They say find the value. This is a typical jam question. Find the value of the logarithm of 81 to base 3, to the base of square root of 3. I know that 3 is a factor of 81. So what do? I can, instead of using the square root of 3 as the base factor. I want to change it to base 3. I have decided on my own, not under any force. But I decided for me to get the value, because I'm interested in getting the value. That's what the question I've asked for. So I decided to say, okay, let me use base 3. So I will say that the log of 81 base root 3 is also the same thing as saying log of 81 base 3 divided by the log of root 3 base 3, which is the same thing as saying, because 81 is a part, 3 is a part of 81. 3 can go here 27, 3 here 9, 3 here 3, 3 here 1, which is the same thing as saying log 3 raised to the power 4 base 3 all over log square root of 3 base 3. I can further move down to say it means 4 log 3 base 3 divided by the log of 3 raised to the power 2 by another of indices base 3, which is now saying 4 times 1, because the log of 3 base 3 is 1, all over half log 3 base 3. Already it will give me 4 all over half times 1, because log 3 base 3 is 1, which is equal to 4 divided by what? Half. And what is 4 divided by half? Simple. 4 divided by half is equal to 4 over 1 times 2 over 1. That gives me 8. Then the value of log 81 root 3 is equal to 8. Answer. Do you get it now? So this is a typical JAM question that you can solve with. Now, what next? The next thing now is I'm going to drop a few homework for you to attempt. You solve and send in your answers. All right. Thank you.